What's up, legends? Welcome back. I'm LAIRDforbes. Today we're going to be doing something I'm pretty excited about. We are going to be doing an unboxing. My first unboxing. Never done one before. Hopefully it'll turn out okay. Today we are going to be unboxing this. This is Elgato's first entry into the camera market. It's been getting some fantastic reviews. It's taken ages to get this. I've been waiting. It took 44 days for this to arrive because they're in such high demand, such low stock. And this is going to be replacing my Logitech C922 camera. From what I've seen of this, it should be phenomenal. Let's dive right into this, shall we? Here is the new Elgato Facecam. Now, as with all Elgato products, the packaging of this is phenomenal, really. It's beautiful. The standard Elgato blue. The quality of the packaging just feels really, really good. I don't know why, I just find this particular shade of blue really nice. I mean, blue is my favourite colour. So I find this box quite attractive. We've got the kind of summary of the features on the front. This is obviously a full HD, 60 frames per second camera. It's got an Elgato Prime lens, which is studio quality optics apparently. That should be interesting. Now the standout feature, or one of the standout features for this camera in my opinion, is the low latency uncompressed video. Basically this camera is not compressing any of the footage in a kind of lossy format at all. Like what you're getting is, what you get in your PC is basically exactly as this camera sees it. Now this is a USB 3 camera. USB 3 has a maximum bandwidth of 5 gigabits per second. And if my understanding of video is accurate, 1080p 60 frames per second video, if you're assuming say 24-bit color, would use about 3 gigabit per second. Whereas the maximum bandwidth available to USB 2 is 480 megabits per second. So this has to be USB 3. USB 2 would never have cut it for this camera. So yeah, it's a pretty powerful beast. Looking nice all round. Should we open the box and see what's inside it? We have some tape. We have to cut. Let's get the scissors. Do this very carefully. One side done. Other side done. Okay, let's open this up and see what we see, if I can get in the box. Nice little finger hole to pull this sucker out. Just want to have one more look at that box. Look at that. How nice is that? That way. Oh, I opened it upside down. Here we go. What do we have here? Facecam manual, which is pretty much going to be self-explanatory. Technical specifications here. Yes, now I want this primarily for the 1080p 60 frames per second uncompressed video, and the fact that the studio quality lens is meant to give phenomenal colour reproduction. I'll be honest, I'm not a videographer, so I don't know an awful lot about what this is telling me, like apertures. This is not an autofocus camera. I think that mentioned 24-bit colour there, actually. No, it didn't. Focal length, 24 millimeters. So yes, that is that. What do we have here? This will be the USB cable, I presume. Elgato logo, which is really nice. I love how they've done that. I mean, it's basically an E and a G. It's really cool. It's really clean and simple, but fitting. Okay, let's pull out this cable. Let's see if I can predict this right. Is this the cable? Yes, it is the cable. We have and another little manual telling us probably all about USB cables. We have our USB 3 cable here. Gold-plated contacts. Nothing really out of the ordinary there. Now for the piece de resistance. The prize. If I can get it out of the box. Oh. Now that does not feel as heavy as I was expecting it to feel. There we have it. It's chunkier than I thought it was going to be. We have a lens cap covering the lens. It's a big lens. It's a big lens. It's a lot bigger than the Logitech, for sure. We have our clip, our mount. Now this can be removed and you can attach this to a standard tripod or swivel arm clamp. But yes, this is looking really nice. We have our USB-C at the back. It's looking good. It is looking good, everybody. And that is that. So the next thing to do is to set this bad boy up. So we shall do that. Well, that was the Elgato Facecam, everybody. Hope you all enjoyed that video. My first unboxing. I think it went okay. And the next video will be, hopefully, a configuration video. I'm going to set this up now. We'll do a side-by-side comparison between this and the Logitech C922. I think the Elgato is going to win by quite a long way. And we'll see how it goes. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you all next time. Bye.